Hi everyone, welcome back to AI Odyssey. As AI continues to evolve, it's reshaping the job landscape in many unexpected ways. There's lots of discussion about how AI might replace certain jobs, but it's equally important to remember that AI is also creating exciting new roles. Today, we explore some of these emerging job descriptions, which just weeks ago no one had ever heard of. From prompt engineers to AI ethicists, let's dive into these innovative roles and discover how they are shaping the future of work. Let's start off with prompt engineering. Well, what is it, you may ask? Well, just imagine a linguist, a psychologist, and a computer scientist rolled into one. That's a prompt engineer for you. They craft potent text strings which not only serve as learning material for AI, but also ensure that AI gives out the exact intended results. It's an art and a science, learn the unique quirks and nuance of different AIs. For instance, what you say to Google's chatbot Bard might not make sense to ChatGPT, a model developed by OpenAI. This task isn't as technical as it sounds, and you don't necessarily need a computer science degree for it. In fact, a background in psychology, linguistics, or communications could give you an edge. The value of prompt engineering is immense, especially in an area where businesses across sectors, from law firms to customer support to publishing, are harnessing the power of AI. And get this, the pay rates for prompt engineer can range from $250,000 to $335,000 per year. This is one field where the human touch cannot be replaced. Moving on, let's discuss the role of an AI trainer. These professionals are like the coaches, but of the AI world. They help generative AI systems understand the nuances of the business they're part of, teaching them to interact effectively with the outside world. Imagine you're preparing an AI chatbot for customer service. It needs to sound human, right?
Hello.
Understand the business it represents, and provide useful responses. This is where AI trainers come in, perfecting the AI's interaction abilities. They don't necessarily have to directly interact with the public, but they help with the AI do it better. With the increasing number of companies implementing AI platforms, AI trainers will continue to be in demand, ensuring that conversations with AI feel more human than robotic. Next up, we have AI auditors. It's not just about getting interesting results from AI anymore. In fact, accuracy and impartiality have become more critical than ever. As an AI auditor's job is to ensure AI systems are bias-free and accurate. We have heard a lot about inherent biases in AI. AI auditors act as gatekeepers, working tirelessly to eliminate any unfair biases in AI systems. They also ensure regulatory compliance, especially at places like New York City that implement laws requiring bias audits for AI technologies. This role is crucial for creating fair and reliable AI systems. Adding to the list, we have AI ethicists. They're responsible for ensuring that AI is used in a safe and ethical manner. With increasing emphasis on fairness and transparency in AI systems, AI ethicists are becoming vital players in the tech field. A role with significant moral responsibility, AI ethicists need to balance technology with ethics, reducing biases, and ensuring fairness in AI algorithmic systems. Companies across the globe are now recognizing the importance of ethical AI, which in turn is increasing the demand for these experts. Lastly, we have machine managers. They are the individuals who oversee AI-operated hardware and systems. As we move towards a more AI-driven world, machines will need to learn to work with AI instructions. That's where machine managers come in. These individuals are typically required to have a strong technical background, as well as experience in the field in which the AI is being used. Industries like manufacturing are placing high value on these roles, and the pay can vary greatly. That wraps up our exploration of new job titles cropping up thanks to artificial intelligence. We hope this has helped to demystify some of the emerging roles in the AI field and how crucial they are to the technology development and application. Remember, as the world evolves, so do opportunities. So stay curious, keep learning, and you might find yourself in a job that's exciting as it is unprecedented. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into AI and its impact on our lives. See you in the next video.